Doing what we do, it's not easy. You don't need just years, but generations.
It's like sculptural poetry.
It's a labor of love. Really, I love my job.
Like a little heart.
To beef or not to beef? Questa è la questione.
Every single community has to preserve his history.
If we cease doing what we were doing, we lose a key part of Irish culture.
Es parte nuestra y él es algo que es nuestro, que debemos defender, de cuidar y promocionar.
I'm always looking to see what can I put into the world that hasn't been put there.
The love that we are bringing and putting inside each piece.
We will infuse that into our work.
For me, it's really fantastic to be part of this crazy adventure.
For us, it's not only a job. Yes, it's more than a job.
We take something old and familiar and make it new.
Your imagination can take it where you want it to.
The biggest secret to making anything is love.